Hello graceful fans, welcome back to my channel Graceful Cakes. Today find out how I made this beautiful cake. It's a two-step cake that I made for my daughter's birthday. I did the first layer with white fondant. Same thing that I did with the upper layer, all covered with white fondant. I just want to appreciate every one of my new subscribers and all my returning subscribers. Thank you all for watching me. Thank you for the lovely comments. I'm so encouraged by your comments, and I appreciate you all for watching my videos, for sharing them, and for the thumbs up. Please continue to do this for me. I really appreciate you all. And if today is your first time of stopping by, please remember to press the subscribe button before you walk away, and turn on the notification bell so you always get to see my posts whenever I upload it. It's all about cakes here. It is Graceful Cakes. The first and the second step has been fully covered in white fondant, and then I added the princess crown to the top of the second layer of the cake because it's a princess birthday cake. And then I wanted to make something that looks like Minnie, you know, the cartoon character, yeah, with Mickey Mouse there holding a gift, a birthday gift for Minnie. Alright, so I just made the polka dots with pink to represent Minnie, but only for the bottom layer of the cake. I did two sizes of the polka dots. One is bigger than the other. It's not the usual style for Minnie anyway, but it came out fine and beautiful. Just creativity. And then I fenced the second layer at the bottom with the pink fondant also. It's bringing out the cake so beautiful. Everything on the cake apart from the crown and the cartoon characters are edible. The cartoon characters are just accessories, are not edible, that we use to beautify cakes, as well as the crown. But every other thing on the cake is edible. So I just did the first round of the cake like little clouds. I got that through one of my accessories, and I just cut it into a different shape to make it look different from its original shape, and it came out beautiful around the cake, like little clouds and like little fences. It's all beautiful. So what else did I do on this cake? I just made a bigger cloud for the name. Yeah, something like a cloud. I cut it out with the shape, my accessory shapes, and then turned it into something that looked like a cloud. And that's where I put the name of the celebrant. The name of the celebrant. You also see that I'm still working on the fence of the second layer of the cake. Now I'm done, as you can see. It's beautiful, isn't it? So I used yeah, you can see the cloud that I put on the upper layer of the cake there, and I used the white fondant to write the name of the celebrant, and I put the name on the cloud, the contrast between white and pink, and it came out lovely. So that's the cake for you. I hope you like this cake. If you have any question, please drop it at the comment section. I'll see you again next week. Bye.